Welcome back to Don's Life, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to perform a little enhancement to my Lumastep M2 powered running boards from Boost Auto with the contents in this package here. Let's go. All right, let's see what we got. Go! Should cut all the way through. We got some harnesses. We need a better truck on there, I tell you. I have an idea. Okay, so we have some harnesses we're going to install, which are going to change the behavior of the Lumasteps by adding a functional puddle lamp. So first, before we install this, let's see how they behave right now. Okay, it's pretty bright in my garage because of my cheap hexagon lighting, but we are going to hit unlock, so it's going to simulate daytime behavior. We hit unlock, and I've opted for the amber Lumasteps. They just blinked with lock and unlock when it is light outside. Let's do another test. First, let's see them open. That's how they work. They've been working good. Let's put a cloth over the light sensor. There we go. Let them retract. Nice and smooth. Now, because we put the rag here, it's going to think that it is dark outside. So when we hit unlock, they blink with the unlock. Then we also get the animation. We also get the GMC logo cast down on the ground because it thinks it's dark outside. But I'll tell you right now, amber is not the best light, we'll say, for puddles. But what if we could change that to white? Well, that's exactly what these harnesses are going to do. Now, because I love you guys, I got up really early this morning and I took some footage of my truck with the amber lights on, acting as the puddle lights. We are going to change that in today's video. It should be a really easy install, and we'll see how much more effective the white light is. I think it's just a neat little enhancement that you can add to these steps. Now, if you watch the install video for these, you know I still have the white rock light feature, but that's activated by a switch. We want them to be white when we're entering and exiting in the truck. And of course, if Mrs. Don's Life got hurt, I'd never hear the end of it from my mother-in-law. And I would think these harnesses are identical. Looks like they are. Do not think there is a left or a right. So we're going to install one on the driver's side. Let's get a little creepy. Cheap but effective. It works, except the wheels always come loose on this thing. But it gets the job done. Okay, we'll get you a couple angles here. We just have to find the main motor harness. Seems to look a lot like this one here. So we're going to disconnect this. This powers the motor. Just like that. Plug in this end. Make sure your seals aren't pinched. So that'll take care of getting the power. Now I've pulled down my extension harness for the lighting. We need to hook this up in line. Looks pretty straightforward. Make sure we unplug the right one. I think it's this guy. That goes there. This goes here. All right, this side's done. Wires are tucked up nice and neat, out of the way. The cloth that was on the dashboard has been removed. So now the vehicle thinks it's light out. Now let's see what happens. I should be able to hit unlock and it should turn amber. Okay, perfect. Now when I open the door, we should be greeted with white light. Yes, sir. Very nice. Now we close the door. They should retract and the light should shut off. And then it should lock and turn amber. Perfect. Now let's simulate some night behavior. Throw that up there. I'm gonna lock it. Okay, so now the truck thinks it's dark out. We're gonna hit unlock. So now we get the full animation and it stays glowing amber until I open the door. It should drop the step and turn white. Works like it's supposed to. And then it should go back up. Still thinks it's dark out, look at the headlights, and back to amber. Now we just have to finish the other side, then I'll wait for nightfall, take it outside and show you how effective all the lighting is and the behavior. when it's dark. Because of the magic of editing, here I am from the past talking to you now. I assume that the footage looked good, otherwise I wouldn't be here so happy talking to you. And I'm very happy with the performance of my Lumastep M2 powered running boards by Boost Auto. And pretty soon we'll probably get to test them in some snow, so I can't wait for that. So today's video served as a bit of an update. Also, you got to see the Puddle lamps in action. If you decide you want to add on that enhancement, definitely check out Boost Auto's website. They have a ton of different accessories for your vehicle, like the GMC Sierra here behind me. But on that note, if you liked today's video, hit that like button, please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time.